All right, let's go back to meteorologist Mary Kay Kleist. Boy, Mary Kay, this severe weather season's really coming in aggressively, and tomorrow that trend continues.
Exactly, Chris. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center keeping an eye on our region for chances for severe weather. The city itself is at a level 2 on a scale of 1 to 5. It is higher at a level 3 down to the south and east from Kankakee to Rensselaer to Valparaiso. So we're talking all hazards. The strongest storms could contain damaging winds, large hail, and the possibility of tornadoes as well. But I think the damaging wind threat is going to be our greatest hazard as we deal with these storms. Not so much flooding because of the fast forward speed with these storms once they get rolling. I wanted to start with a wider picture to show you how all of this storm energy will start moving in throughout the morning. So I would say these two waves we were watching are almost merging to become one. So between 9 a.m. through the lunch hour and through the early afternoon till about 3 p.m., I think that is going to be our highest window of very active weather as it moves through. So we will be monitoring the radar for these gusty storms to take shape in the morning, some downpours, maybe some small hail at start. And then as we build into the heat of the afternoon, right after lunch, that severe threat taking shape for us. And again, you want to have a way to be activated when there is a warning, because you want to know, of course, if it is a tornado warning, there's chances some of these could rotate, especially south of I-80 where we're seeing better building of heat. So here's a tighter look at Futurecast to give you an idea of how this all takes shape. So 9 a.m. we start seeing those thunderstorms really start to amplify in between 9 a.m. and noon. Here's noontime. And again, to the south, that's where model data has been pretty consistent with some of these storms really exploding just because they're touching on higher dew points, so there's more moisture there, better instability, and a lot of heat as well. So as we move to the 1 o'clock hour, we're seeing the height of this in the Illinois side. Then it goes over to northwest Indiana as we get into the 2 and 3 o'clock time frame. So really now model data is favoring that 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. window. And then on the back side of it, a couple of flurries or sprinkles before daybreak on Monday, because then we'll be on the cold side of the system. Pull the camera from the NIU campus. It's the only one we can see because we have fog in the city cameras. 43 degrees, a northeast wind at 7. So we'll keep showers and fog around, especially that fog near the lake. 50 for our overnight low. So we have a weather alert day for Sunday. But as you said, Chris, it's an active time of year. Even after those snowflakes Monday morning, another weather alert day coming in the middle of the week.
Okay, Mary Kay, thanks very much.